My daughter and I are here because of the blood transfusion I received when I was pregnant.
Thank you so much for my blood transfusions. If I hadn't have received those, I wouldn't be here to drive past the Malai Bridge every day.
I'm here today in the Eisteddfod. The only reason I'm here is because somebody was kind enough to give blood.
Giving blood to patients in need is one of the major life-saving treatments that we can deliver on board the Welsh Air Ambulance charity helicopters. We wouldn't be able to do it without your donations.
Thank you for my blood donation. Without that, I wouldn't be here enjoying Carnarvon Castle with my two beautiful children.
Our little girl Nettie needed a blood transfusion when she was 6 weeks old, recovering from major surgery. If it wasn't for blood donors, she wouldn't be here with us today.
Be there for somebody else.
Give blood, save lives.